Hi guys, and welcome to the How to Build Muscle and Lose Fat Step-by-Step course tutorial. Before we delve into the course, I want to thank you for choosing me as your mentor, and I hope that you enjoy this course as well as benefit from it from the valuable information I've been able to put together. I want to start off by telling you guys a bit about myself and my experience in this field. I have a BTEC Level 3 Sports Science Extended Diploma which I studied for 2 years at college, as well as studying sports rehabilitation at university for 3 years. So I know all about the body's functions from the skeletal system to the muscular system and how they work together. I'm currently working as a personal trainer as well as being a nutritionist, so I know what I'm talking about when it comes to training methods and dieting to reaching your specific goals, whatever they may be. The main question I wanted to answer for you guys today is, why did I create this course? I created this course to help anyone who is confused on this topic of building muscle and losing fat and being able to maintain it. There's a lot of confusion on this topic on the internet, of articles saying different things confusing you guys, and I want to be able to clear the air. And like I said before, in this course I'm going to be able to tell you everything you need to know from building muscle and losing fat to what foods you should be eating and what training methods are best for getting to your ideal body shape. I know you guys are eager to learn, so I'm not going to drag this intro out any longer. So without further ado, let's get into it.